2016 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. It has its stock converters right there and right there. The stock third converter that everybody hates into a flex pipe. And then what we did is installed Y pipe duals right there, all the way back into 5-inch stainless steel exhaust tips right there and right there. We'll have a link in the description for both of them. 2016 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. You guys hear it in a second. Nice. Sound decibels? 101. Oh yeah. That sounds great. Did you guys hear it on the inside? Sounds awesome. I love it.